Hi, this is Wayne Morgan with the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the Learn to Use It part. Our wealth building course, The Principles of Investing, is coming up soon. Why should you attend this event, and what can you expect when you do? First, the content. You'll do case studies of actual properties that will show everyone from the beginner to the experienced investor how to calculate the value of any investment, and we'll cover all the topics on the landing page shown below. The second is the delivery method. Have you ever been to a presentation where the speaker droned on and on, putting you to sleep? This event was designed using experiential learning. What does that mean? It means we know that talking isn't teaching and listening isn't learning. Who learns in the classroom? The person who is making the most mistakes and talking about it. Experience is the best teacher, and when you get an experience of the subject, your success rate increases. Great content, great delivery, huge success. Click here for details. Thank you.